Sentimental Forex update for the 18th of November for the QuasiDB service. S&P chart on the H4. Remember this September high I was talking about? We had a double bottom there, almost like on the dot. Have a look at that. It's quite accurate. So that's that high. This would have been a high volume node here as well. So this is a good support. So obviously we're making lower highs, but we've got that. So, and we've got the ascending moving average too. The technicals are looking weak, so be careful, but we do have that. And if we do rally, it'd be good for our signals. So it's a bit stressful yesterday watching the profit and loss, but hopefully we'll be okay and everyone's trading safely. AJ above 76.41 and 75.61, quite sideways. Remember to check your technicals, the greens versus reds. AU, big stop loss cluster up here, 73.50, so 45 pips away. On the below is 72.63. That's them going long, so that would be bearish normally. So yeah, got to be a little bit careful. At high level, we are a buy. EA, one above 163.46, one below 162.10. So that should be bullish. So the price action is not necessarily respecting the dynamics so much today. It's a little bit choppy. EU, now this is a dip on the sentiment, so that would be bullish. So here would be a buy. And one above is 119.02. So it's on the round number, but 2 pips above. 118.40. Check your signal. Fully green. GU, it's a SLC 132.80. So yeah, I think we probed it perhaps. Oh no, we came like one or 2 pips away. One below is 132.30. So that's likely. And we got some sort of resistance up here as well. So depending we get that stop loss cluster and it continues, we can have this as a support. We are a buy, but it's sideways. NU above, this is a large stop loss cluster, 69.10. One below is 68.70. So we're very close to getting that SLC. It's very large. There's a few million dollars there in stops probably. Yeah, so keep an eye on that. 69.10. EJ, one above is 124.01 and 123.28. So quite bearish there. And this is our signal to sell, so we want this to fall. Our entry was 123.55. So we're up about 12 pips on this. Just make sure that you're trading safely and you should be okay. It's a bit choppy at the moment, but risk should be on. So yeah, take your signal. Moving averages are all pointing down on every time frame. Pound yen, 138.42, 137.48, sideways. UJ, getting the stop loss cluster 103.87, which I believe got taken out. Yeah, we've taken that out. So what happens now is that if that gets smaller, there's a chance of a reversal. If it gets larger, it can continue. We have been a sell for ages. At this point, they started to go long, around about here, as you can see. And so that's quite a lot. That's quite a big move on that. That's 171 pips. So these guys are stubborn and they held on to their long bias, as you can see. They held on. So down it comes to punish them. You see, this is our signal to sell. 131.25, 130.58. Remember, we've got Canadian data today, so be careful. We have been a sell for ages, and that's them going long, which would be bearish. So we can come down to the SLC at 130.58. Dollar Swiss, one above, 91.31. One below is 90.83. We've been this sell for a long time, and it's them holding on to their long bias. So we should come down. If you look on the dashboard, we've got a radar chart, and dollar Swiss is a huge sell according to FXCM clients. So we should really be falling. Gold, I couldn't find the stop loss cluster below. I did have a look on the daily, but I think it's down at $1,000. So there's no point showing you that. Well, SLC above is 1901.3. We are a sell, and it's them going long, so that would be bearish. So monthly pivot is 1890. So assuming we spend time below that with a bearish bias, then we can fall. And quick look at S&P again. There's your support, which I thought would come into play. If you saw yesterday's video, I was saying that, and it did. I'm quite happy. Hopefully the signals work out okay. If they don't, remember that no system is perfect, and we are probably due a negative sideways week. 10 weeks in a row of like consistent gains is a bit remarkable, to be honest. So if we do get profitable, I'll be surprised, but fingers crossed, and let's see how they pan out. Hope you have a good day, and I'll speak to you soon.